Alright, here's what you want to do if you want to make a paperclip lockpicking wrench. So you get your regular size paper clip, bend it out once or twice. It's probably good right there. You're going to want to take a pair of pliers and just grasp the end of it just like that, so it's just barely sticking out over the top. Can't really see it there, but yeah. Then give it a bend so it looks like that. Then take your pair of pliers and squish it down slightly so that it's touching. And then give it one more bend. So it's turned like that, and then same deal. Then you can flatten it out if you want to a little bit. So it looks like that when you're done. Now to use this, you just stick it in your lock. Like that. Give it a bend. It's about how much you want of a wrench length. Then I just like to straighten out a little bit more. So you stick that in the top of the keyhole, the opposite side of the pins. Then you take your pick, which is another paper clip just bent in a little triangle at the tip. You rake the lock a little bit, and this is a really craggy lock, so it's pretty much done. There you go. Lock picking wrench made out of a paper clip.